Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 4th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla, after the big news that happened during the weekend, last Saturday, news that was saying that Tesla was having breaking production numbers. It was possible that the stock would be going ballistic, but no, it did not. The stock closed up $6.31, 0.81%. We closed at $781.53. Post-market, we seem to be down another further 84 cents. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So we made a higher high today, so that's the good news. We are also respecting the channel here, this upper channel resistance. So we are getting close to this upper channel resistance. Overall, the stock is trending a little bit higher, even if within the day we pretty much went down. We have an increase in volume here. Look at the volume that we had today, so pretty nice volume. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. We opened up right here, so we had this descending triangle for the hourly chart. Let me try to make it better. Yeah, so we had this descending triangle here, so we broke that descending triangle and we opened right here. We went all the way up to 806. If you had traded this on the 5-minute chart, you could have taken this little swing here because the stock was opened here, went down, and then started going back up. 800 was a nice entry point for $6 here. And then, of course, shorting this would have been another way of doing it, but I digress. So on the hourly chart, so we opened right here, went pretty high, and then sat down on this support of this upper channel, and now we have broken that 1 hour bullish channel. So we are centering around 781. So we are right smack in the middle of our congestion zone, which is between 765 and 800. And stochastic wise, stochastic is not very strong at 40. MACD crossed over bullish not too long ago. It's still bullish. But because of stochastic, I am pretty much expecting that Tesla might be going towards 750, 761. On the hourly chart, stochastic is going down a little bit also, so 74. What else is of note? MACD is still breakover, is still crossed over bullish, and DMI also crossed over bullish. So basically, we stayed in this congestion zone even with those delivery numbers. My guess is that analysts prefer to really look at the quarterly call where the company will talk about the profit and the revenues. This is what the analysts care a bit more about. So we'll have to wait until October 27 to really get some fundamental news about Tesla that might trigger some upward move. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a member of this YouTube channel. You can also click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.